CMS tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the USB Signage feature, enabling you to quickly upload and manage content directly from your USB drive. Discover how this powerful feature within the NSD-Series CMS makes your digital signage setup effortless and efficient. Select the source button of remote control and you can see the input source options from the display. Select USB Signage from the source menu. There are two modes, normal and advanced. Advanced mode allows you to filter up to 5 timers and select any pictures or videos. First, we will introduce normal mode. In the normal mode, there are landscape and portrait options to meet your needs. It offers various layouts, allowing you to play videos with graphics simultaneously and automatically. Select the playing time from timer. In the normal mode, the playing time can only be scheduled by hour. In the general setting, you can select the duration of each picture, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or a custom duration. You can set the marquee to run at the top or bottom of the screen with the text file, named pmd.xt, saved on your USB. Confirm and play. In advanced mode, you can select your preferred layout and then schedule it for any time you want. It supports up to 5 playlists to do the scheduling. You can select the specific videos or images from your USB to play the contents. In the general setting, you can set the duration of images and add a marquee as well. Confirm and schedule. Unleash flexibility for elevated engagement with NSD-Series.